What's up, guys? It's me, Ezra, back with another video, and today we're out at Twin Lakes. I'm with my cousin Monye. He lives in Maryland, so you know he hasn't really seen a lot of the sights and stuff up here in Pennsylvania. So I'm just kind of taking him out on a little tour and everything. And next stop is Twin Lakes. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Nine. Get to 10, get to 10. 10! Phew! Real big boy hours. Yeah. Somebody littered. So Monye, hello.
Hey, how you doing?
Where are you from?
I'm from Baltimore, Maryland.
Okay, and how do we know each other?
We are cousins. We're actually the bestest of cousins. That's
The
not
bestest,
a word, but the bestest.
bestest. Okay, okay. What has been your favorite thing about Pennsylvania so far?
Let's see, my favorite thing about Pennsylvania? Well, to be honest, I've only been here for, this is the 4th day. But I like Twin Lakes. The scenery is really nice. I don't know. It's different from Baltimore. You guys have different air. The air is fresher here, you know.
It's a lot more rural.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I live in the city, so, you know, it's different factories and, you know, it's just not like this.
Got you. So, are you enjoying yourself?
Of course I'm enjoying myself. I'm with my family, so I love it.
Okay. Well, I guess that concludes our little interview. Thank you for your time, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, what you think they building?
Huh?
What you think they building?
I have no idea.
I don't know either. Sus.
It is a beautiful.
Get in.
Jesus, hot. Son of a gun. Hurry up and start this car.
Hey guys. What's up? We just got back to the car. It's like really hot in here, so I'm gonna make this clip quick. Did you have fun?
I did. I enjoyed myself.
That's good.
Thoroughly
That's good.
enjoyed myself.
Twin Lakes is always a fun spot. If you live around Greensburg and haven't been there, go there.
Get there, guys.
Yeah, definitely. Now we're gonna go to the skate park that's up here, see what's going on up there. It's definitely a hot day, so hopefully there's gonna be some people up there. Maybe I can shoot and see what the move is up there. So yeah, see you guys later.
Bye.